a hair, a hat, a hair and hat, a hat and hair. The hat was hungry. No way to eat. The hair was there. No one could see. The hair saw the hat. The hat saw the hair. They saw each other. One hurt the other. Happily ever after. Happily inside each other.